If you guys clicked on this video, make sure you guys are 18 and up or a cannabis patient. These videos are made for an educational purpose. We do not condone the usage of these products, and we do not sell anything on this channel as well.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome to a brand new podcast. Today, yet again, we got another cartridge review, but today we're going to be doing something a little bit more different. I've only tried this brand at least like once, and it is the Kingpen brand. Honestly, the reason why I wanted to make this, I had to make this video. Like, I have to make this video. I have to show you guys exactly what I really think about these, and the only issue that I have with these, but other than that, I think Kingpen is hella fire. I guess it's one of the world's most awarded cannabis vape. I mean, I guess I could believe that because this shit it's pretty fire. Is it better than Rock Garden heavy hitters? You know what? It's on its own level. So today I got some Cali-O. It's 83% THC. Check that out, and I gotta admit, man, I mean, the design of this is pretty sick. You know, I think it's pretty dope. It's powered by Loud Pack. If you guys can see that right there. And it says right here, a 3-second draw is a single serving. So like always, everybody, you know, a 3-second drag, that's gonna be equivalent to one hit. And let's see, these cartridges, Kingpen cartridges are available in InTheCut, Sativa, and Hybrid. Proud to be the most awarded cannabis vape in the world. Okay, in the world, but hey man, you guys better be cool. Watch out, cause you know, 710 Labs, who knows how their cartridges are gonna be. Rock Garden too, man. Everybody's starting to become a big fan of Rock Garden, cause everybody that I know that smokes cartridges, and I'm talking about like people are from like different cities and stuff, they're all going for those Rock Gardens. So woof, Kingpen, you better watch out because you might not be the most awarded soon. So I don't know. So I've actually tried a couple of these before. I do have another flavor, King Louis O, some King Louis OG, but I wanted to save that for another video. But shout out the packaging. But let me just show you guys one thing, because these are just again, everybody, I do not condone the usage of these products. I do not promote the sales of these products, and I don't sell anything on this channel, or I don't push anything. It's just an educational review. It's for cannabis patients, 18 and up, you know, people that are just wanting to look for a review. So check this out. Let's got it right here. Oh, so got myself a little half-gram. Not too bad, not too bad. I do want to take the sticker off right here. Let me see if I can maybe take it off. There's a little sticker right here. Sometimes the sticker kind of kills the color. It doesn't get you like that full color, if that makes sense, you know? Take off that sticker. There you go. Slowly, nice and slowly. Bam. Oh, okay. Look at this. This looks kind of fire. I do like the logo. Right there, you guys see right there? Okay, you guys see the logo? And this is some clear wax too. And this is clear too. Like the liquid inside is so clear. Look at that. Look at that. Let's do the little test. There you go. It's not moving at all. We got some Sativa on our hands. You know, I'm trying to wake up. But look, just one thing. Again, everybody, I've talked about this in different videos. Don't get me wrong, man. These Kingpens are fire. I like them. To me, they're kind of like equivalent to like a heavy hitter. So cheers, everybody. Let's try it out. Ooh, that flavor. That shit is so fire. It literally just tastes like a kind of like an orange. It has like an orangey flavor, and you can just tell a sativa right off the bat. Honestly, sometimes a lot of people could smoke a sativa and they feel like they took like a shot of coffee or like a little cup of coffee, which is kind of crazy. To me, it's the other way around. I feel like sometimes I could be slumped, but smoking sativa, it kind of does kind of wake me up like mentally. It's like a mental wake up type thing, you know. The physical wake up, I feel like I'm a little slumped, a little tired just because I smoked it, you know. But here, look, right here, let me show you guys. Kingpen. Bam. 83.03% THC. So, ooh, I like how these hit. The design is pretty cool. You know, it's kind of heavy. You know, it's made out of like a little type of metal. But one thing I really do like about the Kingpen is that some of their flavors are just like, ooh, they got a good taste, you guys. Like I completely like, I approve of the taste. The taste is pretty nice. Oh yeah. Let me tell you guys one thing though. And I feel like a lot of people are gonna be able to relate to this, but let me know in the comments down below. But check this out. So if you guys see the very end of this, so you guys see the bottom of it right there, like this bottom right here, I feel like some of the liquid stays right here, you know, it gets stuck right here. And I feel like you don't 100% complete, like you don't 100%, like all of the juice doesn't go inside, you know, like the little coils inside, if that makes sense. You know, there's always like a little bit left over that's just stuck in there. And that happened to me like 2 times already. I bought 2 because back then I used to like the I used to like the heavy hitters, brass knuckles, and Kingpens. Those were like my to-go-tos before I even knew about like Raw Garden and all these other cartridges. It was mainly brass knuckles. I really like the brass knuckles and the heavy hitters. See, here and there I came across a Kingpen, but actually I think, yeah, because my first cartridge ever was a brass knuckle. It was some SVOG. I remember that. It was the SFVOG. And it was a full gram. And I remember when I first bought it, I first bought my first pen, I was so excited. I was like, bruh, I'm gonna get so lit. It's in my room while I watch a movie, watch a show. So I'm like, oof, it's gonna be sick. And that's exactly what I did. You know, I freaking got my ass home, charged. I mean, my pen was already somewhat charged, but I thought it wasn't charged. So I kind of charged it up. I, you know, put it in, and I was just like, "Oh, dude, all right, let's fucking get it." I can remember it too. It was in the next room. It was the next door room. I switched rooms in my apartment, but back then I was just like, yeah, this is a Sativa. I feel like I'm kind of like getting a little creative, you know, getting a little bit like, let's fucking get this bag, baby. Let's fucking. Yeesh. But I remember that too. I think I watched the Epic movie. You guys remember that movie? Those like dumb parody movies, the Epic movie. It was like scary movie, epic movie, disaster movie. Oh, I fucking love those stupid parody movies. I think they're so funny, they're so interesting. Cause I'm lit half the time, but in reality, they're fucking shitty movies. But I always thought they're hella interesting. The one that I really like, oh my god, you guys should go check that one. It's called Stan Helsing. It's a parody of Van Helsing, but that shit is just. That shit's just so funny, honestly. Damn. I feel like one thing about the Kingpens is I feel like the airflow is really nice. Like there's way too much, not way too much airflow, but the airflow is just like on fucking point. What's funny, before, I do remember, it was like, I forgot what, 2014 was when I was first introduced to a couple pens. No, yeah, no, 2013, no, 13 or 14. I think it was 13 or 14, one of those years. But it wasn't like a cartridge, like a wax cartridge, you know, like distillate, you know. It wasn't stuff like that. It wasn't like live resin, none of that shit. It was more like a little globe. It was like these little globes, and inside was like a dab. It was pretty much like you're taking a dab, and there was like a little piece, like a little coil in the middle. It was like a globe, and inside it was like a little coil, and it would like heat up. So you would have to put your dab on that stuff. You'd have to put your dab on that, and then you would hold it, and the coil would heat up, and then that's when you would take a dab. That's where I remember the first pens. That's what I remember. You know, like, I was like, what the hell? There's a pen? You can smoke out of a pen? Like, what? And after that happened, and then maybe like a year or two after that, that's when all these like distillate, that's when you got all these like wax cartridges, all these like random cartridges coming out. And they were fire, you know. I came across, like, for sure a lot of real ones, but I'm not gonna lie, I did come across maybe here and there 2-3 of them that were for sure fake. And it's because, again, I've talked about this. I say this in every single cartridge video. If you guys are buying those fake ass $20 cards, stop buying that shit, man. Don't just because you okay, right now you're in your head, you're probably like, oh, 20 bucks, bro, fuck that. I'm not gonna go buy a $35 half gram or a $55 to $60 full gram at the club when I could be buying almost a full gram at 20 bucks. Just letting you guys, man, you guys are smoking those deadly pesticides. You guys are smoking that fake shit. I don't care if you're like local drug dealer or whatever telling you guys, nah, man, this some fire, this is the real shit. Nah, man, fuck that. If he's selling that shit like at 20 bucks, unless you personally know the person and you know that he's making it and you know exactly what's going on in that shit, don't trust that shit, bro. Because if you're paying 20 bucks, even 20 bucks for a half gram, bro, I don't think so. I don't know, but hey, sometimes you guys could get, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you guys could probably get like a nice little, there's probably people out there that get some nice little plugs where you guys get some real shit for really low. Shout out to you. But majority of the people out there, hell no, man, you guys are copying that fake shit. Just save your money and just go buy yourself some fucking full gram of like a heavy hitter, you know, raw garden, you know, like because I know a lot of people that are just buying some fake shit, saying it's real and shit, but I don't think so. I don't know. I wouldn't risk it, because at the end of the day, it's your guys' body. You're not gonna feel the damages that it's doing to your body right now, but you're gonna feel it like maybe 20-30 years down the road when you're like in your 50s, 60s. You're gonna be like, damn, man, I smoked all that fake shit. This shit's probably gonna affect us too when we're like 50, 60. Who knows? Hopefully not, but shit, that's what we're doing. That's why I'm doing this review, you guys. So shit, make sure you guys drop a like, man. Drop a comment. What's your guys' favorite flavor if you guys have tried Kingpen? And if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. But shit, y'all want to take a hit? Like one time I bought when I first found out that there was fake cartridges out on the street, that's when I kind of like completely, I was like, fuck that, dude. I'm not gonna buy off the street. I did a couple times here and there, not gonna lie, but this was like maybe like 3 years ago. Yeah, this happened like maybe almost 4 years ago. I bought a fucking cartridge. It was a brass knuckles cartridge, and I bought it for 30 bucks, a $30 full gram. And I'm like, okay, this guy that I knew at the time, like this guy probably bought them in bulk, got them super fucking cheap. He's just adding another extra 5, you know, another 5-10 bucks to the price to each cartridge. So that's cool, you know, he's making a profit. I smoked like maybe like 1/3 of it, and like the bottom of this shit started getting black. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is it getting black? Started getting black. I'm like, what the fuck, dude? This shit is not normal. This shit's trying to get. I was like, what the hell's inside this cartridge? So I showed one of my other friends, one of my buddies. He was always like, dude, this shit's fake, bro. You're smoking like fake wax, fake distillate. You know, like you're smoking fake distill, fake distill. Like, he's like, nah, bro, just throw that shit away. So what I did, I was like, fuck this shit. Grabbed it, screwed it off. I just threw that shit away. And from there, I was like, dude, you can't be smoking that fake shit, dude. I did know some fucking one girl, though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, she fucking, oh my god, just disgusting. But, I mean, she wasn't disgusting, but I'm saying, like, she just had no idea. One time, like, fucking, I met some girl that had a cartridge that was so fucking dark. So cheap. You can tell the plastic was so cheap. Like, I asked her, I was like, where'd you buy this shit? She's like, oh, I bought it from my friend. I was like, what the fuck, for how much? Like, I think like 20 bucks. And I was like, bro, what the? It was so dark. She was smoking like black tar fucking wax or some shit. Fuck. And I was like, dude, throw this shit away. And she's like, nah. And I was like, okay, cool. You know, I wanna like taste it. I'm not gonna inhale this shit. So I took it here. Held it in my mouth and blew it out. That shit tasted like plastic. I was like, ew. She probably did, and she probably finished it. Knowing her, knowing that chick, she probably killed that shit. She got lit off her ass. Off fucking all these deadly pesticides, all these like chemicals and shit. I have no idea, but I don't know. I just don't think it's worth it, honestly. I think it's best just to go to your local club, you know? Like, just go to a local dispensary. These brands, I know they might not be like 100% safe, but they're for sure way better than the shit that people cop off the streets. And I talk about this in almost every single cartridge video, because it's just so important to not be smoking these nasty like chemicals, because it might not affect you right now, but it's gonna affect you down the road. So shit. A lot of people say, they leave comments down below saying that I need to hold in my hits for hella days, but your lungs instantly absorb all the THC when the smoke goes in your lungs. It like instantly fucking absorbs all the THC, you know. So it's not like you have to keep it in there for it to like grab the most THC, you know. But oof. That's why usually I hit it. I hit it, make sure it goes all in the lungs, and then I just blow it out right away. Cause I'm like, I got all the THC I needed. I don't need to keep that smoke in my lungs. I'm already, that's about to be, wow, I'm lit. Can't even talk. Anyways, everybody, I should probably cut it off right now. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe if you guys are brand new, and click that bell. It's really important you guys click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys did that. Give you guys a shout out. Guys, everybody, this is the Kingpen, the Cali-O, and Cali-O, let's get it. Again, everybody, I do not condone the usage of these products. I do not promote the sales of any brand, anything like that, and I do not sell anything on this channel. This is literally just an educational review for cannabis patients 18 and up. You already know.